later today, and the Venezuelan president, Nicolas Maduro, has called for direct talks with President Obama to try to resolve their country's growing differences. Time is now coming up to 44 minutes past the hour. That's the sound of one of the many protests that's been taking place in the Indian capital, Delhi, and in other cities demanding justice for the death of a 20-year-old man, victim of alleged racism. Nido Tania came to Delhi as a student from the northeastern state of Arunachal, and he stood out among the crowds in Delhi because of his East Asian features and distinctly dyed hair. And in late January, following an altercation with some shopkeepers about his looks, he was beaten up and he died a day later. Nido's death has again raised the question, are Indians racist towards their fellow countrymen? Nido Tania's mother, Nido Marina, is in our Delhi studio, and she's also joined by Dr. Joy Pachwal, who is a historian and herself from northeast India. Welcome to you both. Marina first, tell us a little bit about the circumstances, if you can, about the death of your son.
Tanya was an obedient and soft-spoken character child. He was looking for address of some friend. When the shopkeeper and his helper made fun of his hairstyle and his Bengali